What happens when two silent assassins of the insect world meet face to face? Who has the deadliest weapon? Who is faster? And who wins in a real fight? Spiders are ambush predators. Their main weapons are venomous fangs, called chelicerae. Many spiders use silk traps, webs, and burrow traps to capture prey. A single quick strike can paralyze insects instantly. They rely on precision, not strength. One bite at the right moment decides the battle. They wait silently, feel vibrations with their legs, strike lightning fast and inject venom, wrap prey with silk to stop movement. Centipedes are fast, aggressive, and armored predators. Their main weapon is the forcipules, modified front legs that act like venomous claws. They don't trap prey, they chase, grab, and overpower. Centipede venom melts muscle tissue and kills small prey quickly. Chase prey directly, grab with multiple legs, inject venom instantly, coil around the prey to immobilize it. A desert centipede has detected the scent of a trapdoor spider hiding deep inside its burrow. Two predators, one dark tunnel. Only one can survive. The centipede creeps closer. It enters the spider's hole and suddenly attack. The centipede lunges first, striking fast. The spider tries to close the trapdoor, but it's too late. The centipede's venomous claws grip the spider's body. Within seconds, the trapdoor spider is overpowered. The centipede preys on the spider, turning the hunter into the hunted. But the story doesn't end here. Giant Huntsman spider versus Scolopendridae centipede. In another encounter, a big Huntsman spider meets a Scolopendridae centipede, one of the world's most feared invertebrate predators. The spider is much bigger, but the centipede is built for aggression. Both have venomous fangs. Both can kill with a single bite. If the centipede strikes first, the spider is in danger. They stand face to face. Tension rises. Suddenly, the huntsman attacks first. With explosive speed, the spider grabs the centipede. The centipede twists violently, trying to break free. But the spider's fangs sink deep into its body. The venom paralyzes the centipede almost instantly. The struggle stops. The Scolopendridae becomes a meal for the giant spider. There is no universal winner in spider versus centipede battles. It depends on their size, their species, their venom potency, and most importantly, who bites first. Small spiders lose to large centipedes, but big spiders can easily overpower medium or small centipedes. In nature, every encounter is unpredictable.